Hey Cricut Crafters, today we're talking about Father's Day ideas to make and sell with your Cricut in 2022. Some of these ideas are great to just gift for Father's Day if you're looking to do that, but if you're looking to make some money with your Cricut, maybe a side hustle or business you're looking to run, Father's Day and Mother's Day are great times of year, even as a Cricut beginner, to start selling and make some money with your Cricut. So let's get right into the ideas. As always, any tutorials I have for anything that I show will be in the description box below. If you're looking for a specific tutorial that you don't see down there, let me know and I'd be happy to do that. And for the whole next month leading up to Father's Day, I'm going to be putting out tons of Father's Day content for you. That way you can have a lot of ideas to make for Father's Day as a gift. Alrighty, let's get right into the video. The first idea are gift baskets, and I love that you can really tailor this, whether it's someone specific, your grandpa, your dad, someone that you want to give to. So a couple ideas for gift baskets are personalizing some barbecue sets. We have car wash sets, toolbox baskets, fishing. My husband would love that if I personalized a tackle box with some cute little fishing gear. I'm actually going to be doing that as a tutorial coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that one. You can do it sports themed if they love, Sunday football or whatever. Personally, my dad is a huge gamer, so some type of gaming little basket or goodies in there would be awesome for him. So baskets are a great one. You can add a bunch of little things in it themed to what they enjoy, and you can personalize them all with your Cricut, which makes it also a great one to be selling for Father's Day in 2022. Car decals are another really fun one. My husband and all of my friends' partners have been asking me to make them car decals, whether it be personalized or, for example, my husband really wants a fishing one, and he also wants one that says Dada on the back of his car. So that is another great one to be making and or selling for Father's Day this year. Shirts and hats are a big one. I love to make personalized shirts, and I have a tutorial right up here of me making a personalized shirt for Father's Day. It works great for Mother's Day as well, which is why I filmed it a little bit before Mother's Day. That way you can use it for either holiday, because I have personally made hundreds of dollars selling these specific shirts as a Cricut beginner. So you can absolutely do it if you just got your Cricut. I got you. Check out the tutorial and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Keychains are another really fun one, and you can do it a lot of different ways. So a few ideas for keychains would be those acrylic ones. People are painting them or adding some vinyl at the back. You could just add dad or grandpa or whatever. You could personalize them with the children's names. You could use infusible ink ones, which is the ones that I personally did, like right here. And I made some fun ones for dog moms and dog dads as well, because I feel like a whole pet idea is a great niche to get into as well. So it's kind of similar. I know it sounds weird to mention that for Father's Day, but it is one that some people do. They see themselves as being a pet mama or a pet dad. So I wanted to incorporate that as well for those people, because it really expands my market and my audience. There are also faux leather keychains and lanyards, which are really cute, and I've seen people doing a lot of those for Father's Day as well. So there are a lot of options. You can engrave some, you can do a lot with keychains, and I love the idea that, dad always needs his keys everywhere he goes. Similar to that, you can do personalized wallets and Zippos. Zippos, or lighters, is a big one. I did that a few years back where I personalized one. In this situation, I got it engraved, but now that I have a Cricut, I could really personalize something like that for him, and that would be a really great idea to give him as well. So again, you kind of have to tailor it if it's going to be a gift to what they specifically would use and want, but I feel like these are great starting points to what you can make to gift to them. Now, this next section is going to be all about drinkware. I know a lot of dads are big beer drinkers, so another fun one would be those glass can cups. You can do beer mugs. You could do a tumbler or coffee mug if they're not quite alcohol drinkers. Like personally, my dad isn't, so I would probably make him something like a coffee cup or a tumbler that he can take to work. These are some ideas of things that I've personally sold for Father's Day in the drinkware section and do really well as well. I love to add personalization, because sure, maybe you could go to Walmart or the dollar store and find something that says Papa Bear or Hubby, but it would not have their kids or grandkids' names on it, which I think just steps it up a whole new level. So if you are looking to sell something, and even for a gift, it's really important to set yourself apart. And if you're just looking to gift, it's always fun to add some personalization and add that sentimental touch to the gift. Now, beer bottle labels are a really fun one I have been seeing, and people have been adding them directly on to the beer bottle as print and cut with their Cricut, or they've been adding those little sleeves that you can put on the neck of the beer bottle, and it just makes it a fun way to gift something. You could add that into the little baskets we were talking about at the beginning, maybe the barbecue basket or the sport sports themed one, and that would just be a really great way to add some fun personalized bits to the gift. Beer koozies are very similar to the drinkware section, and I think that would just be really fun to add some fun saying, or maybe best dad ever. You could add, for example, for my husband, I would probably add something to do with fishing. If you didn't get it by now, he loves fishing. Really tailor it to what they enjoy and what they like. Of course, with your Cricut, you can make cards. Cards are a great one to be making. I'm going to be making a lot of cards for Father's Day, and Creative Fabrica has some really great already done cards. You can go ahead and download them and then put them on your Cricut. I'm sure there are tons of other websites you could check out as well. I personally have only tried out Creative Fabrica because some of you told me I absolutely need to, and oh my gosh, you were right, so thank you for that. And if you're interested in checking out the cards on Creative Fabrica and what it has to offer, because it's only $1 for the first month, I will leave that in the description box down below as well. Alrighty, on to the next idea. Similar to the cards are those 3D cardstock shadow boxes. I think they are so cute. It's crazy how just layering some cardstock turns into a gorgeous photo like this. And again, these are ones that I saw on Creative Fabrica, so I'm going to be making those for my husband. Hopefully he can't hear me, he's in the other room, but I'm so excited. Like I said, he loves all things fishing and dad related, and he's just really into that right now. So I thought that would be a really fun way to add some decor to our room or to our home with my Cricut. Signs are another great one to make, whether it's a family sign or canvas. I love making things like that, and my husband really likes them as well. So here are some examples that I have personally made that you could try out, and I also have tons of tutorials on these specific ones that I will leave down below as well. You could do things like reverse canvas and canvas signs. Maybe it's a barbecue grill master sign or a dad cave, man cave sign. You know, one of those things that is really tailored to them and what they enjoy. Or maybe it's a sign for grandpa's workshop. Personalized tools are a really cute one that I'm seeing being sold everywhere, whether it's a tape measure or a hammer that you're adding some fun personalization to with your Cricut. I feel like this is such a great one to give as a gift. I have seen a lot of people selling these and having great success with selling some personalized tools. So if you are looking for an idea to what you can sell for Father's Day with your Cricut, it might be a fun one to try out. And as I mentioned before, you do not have to go out and buy all of these items. If you're looking to sell them, check out this video here where I talk about making mock-ups beforehand. This saves you time and the money of having to create the inventory every time. No. You can just create digital mock-ups, which I talk about right here, and you don't have to go out and buy all of these tools and see if maybe someone will buy it. Don't waste your money, don't waste your time. Check out this video and it'll be a big help for you in that way. A fun one to gift are those personalized word searches, and I've also seen those acrylic Spotify plaques. Again, be careful, you cannot go ahead and sell those Spotify plaques because of copyright issues unless you're going to do it just like a random music themed one, but with the whole Spotify logo and shop on there, you can not use that, so just be super careful. I'm not telling you to go sell that. Personalized ties with some heat transfer vinyl are a really cute one, whether you're personalizing the back with a really sweet little note for your partner or your dad or whoever it is. I thought that would be a really fun one to incorporate because personally I know a lot of dads that have to wear ties to work or to events, and that would be a great way to have them just know that you are thinking of them. Creating a personalized little tray to put their wallet, their keys, you know, if you want to have that out there, I thought it'd be fun to add maybe some vinyl that says dad or grandpa, or maybe just something similar, and it would be a great spot for them to put all of their things, you know, like a little catch-all. I don't know, my husband loves to do that. He just throws things all around and he's like, where's my wallet, where's my keys? It would be a lot better if I just had a little platter or tray for him to put them all in and find them easily. That would save me a lot of headache too. I hope he's not watching this. The last one I'm going to mention for today are DIY personalized little drawings. And this is one that I've talked about in this tutorial here, where you take a drawing that maybe your child made, the grandchild, maybe it's a handprint or a handwritten letter from great grandma, whether it's a recipe card or something, and you convert it into a cut file, which I've shown you exactly how to do, and then you put it on really anything. It could be a mug, a sign, a shirt. Your options are there. It's endless on what you could put it on, and I really think it's a great way to add some extra personalization and a sentimental touch to a gift for that loved one. That's going to be a wrap on today's Cricut ideas to make for Father's Day in 2022. What did you think? Are any of those something that you think you might want to try out, or what are some ideas that you have? Let us know in the comments down below, because us Cricut crafters love to get new ideas. Cricut tips and Cricut hacks are always welcome in the comments, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.